Another package today. This is going to be spectacular. You know, it's funny, the delivery companies, they knock on the door and they take off. They don't even wait 10 seconds for you to answer the door. But, okay, I live in an okay neighborhood. Is this upside down? No. Let's get it out. For some reason, they're using extra large boxes now. Let's have a look. Come on. This is not working. Oh, here we go. This is upside down, yep. Okay. What do you think this is? You ready? Let's have a look slowly. Slowly now. That's right. It is the Yeezy 350 V2 Cloud White. This was released September 23rd. And I'm getting pretty good at the... my luck is pretty good as far as getting on and getting them. Should I tell you how I got them? No, we'll leave that for a later video. This is a bit different than some of the other ones I've gotten recently. I've gotten like, this is probably my fourth or fifth pair in the last 9-10 months. So, yeah, it's going well. Do they have the right size? Yep. 12. First thing I noticed is the, it's white, the sole is white. Just actually, just an off-white, fairly translucent. And it's different than what I've seen before in the past, my other purchases. And it's got a really nice light color to it. With the naked eye, it actually looks a bit lighter than it does in the on the screen. So look here inside. Different color insert. I've never seen this color before as an insert. It's like a baby blue. Can't really pick it up, but what else? We have a little, it's kind of like a very light orange. Again, the screen doesn't pick that up very well, but it's yellow, but it's got like an orange tint to it. I do like the solid color laces. Some of the other ones are multicolored, but I think this looks better. Let's get a closer look at the design pattern. Nice. Very nice. You guys have all seen this design in the past, I believe, but the colors pick it up pretty good. Very well. This is good. So I'm going to try them on. I'm not going to show you the other one because they're exactly the same, but a different foot. I'm going to try them on. I'll get back to you to let you know what I think of my first impressions. Thank you.